League of Legends account, LOL create account, sign up Riot account for League of Legends or LOL. Now LOL basically means League of Legends and not laugh out loud, and it's one of the games from Riot Games. And if you want to create an account on it, simply open up your browser and you want to head over to leagueoflegends.com/PBE. So it's also a PBE account or the League of Legends account. It's basically just the same, or you can just hit leagueoflegends.com. Now there isn't a separate account for League of Legends or LOL or PBE. All of them are just one account, which is Riot Games account. So to create Riot Games account, just click on the three lines option from the top right of the screen, and over here you can see all these options. You can simply try to go to PBE. Here you can see if you don't have a Riot account, you can choose to create one by just tapping on the create one option. Or if you have a Riot account, then you want to simply go directly to the sign in option here. And when you go to the sign in option, all you have to do is, if you want to actually sign up over here, you can see the sign in option first, but if you want to sign up, scroll down and here you can see create account button. So simply go to create account button over there. Now all you have to do is, before you get started, you can actually directly link your account with Google, Facebook or Apple for easier access. But if you want to create an independent email address instead, you can also enter an email. And just make sure to go ahead and then enter your date of birth, the month, as well as also the year. Once done, you can just hit on this little arrow button again there and choose your username and your password, and your League of Legends account will get successfully created. This way you'll be able to create your League of Legends account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.